So many people speak English language fluently, but when it comes to speaking English language for me, so then it becomes a huge problem for me, a massive headache. Whenever I speak English language, whenever I try to speak English language, I feel hesitant. I think I cannot speak. I'm not good at English language. What should I do? So hello and thank you for clicking this video. In today's video we are going to discuss about some of the things, actually what is fluency and how to achieve fluency, and the people who speak English language, how can they get fluency. So first of all, I would like to say that I would like to talk about what is actually fluency. The people who just listen English language by others, and some of the people speak English language in a fast way, so they think like it is called fluency. If a person who is speaking English language in a fast way, in a certain speed he is speaking, so I think that is called fluency. People think like, they think like that is called fluency. But my friend, let me tell you, you know what, fluency is not all about speed of our speech, speed of our words. I mean, in which speed we are speaking English language, that is not called fluency. Fluency is all about if a person who is speaking English language and he is speaking systematically, and the people who are listening to him, they are able to understand whatever a person is speaking. Okay, if a person who is speaking English language and the people who are listening to him, they are able to understand whatever the person is speaking, so that is called real fluency. Okay, if I talk about myself, so I am not fluent. I'm not fluent, to be honest. I'm just trying to be a fluent speaker because I really want to become. Okay, and I have been trying, still I'm trying, still I'm working upon myself, still I'm working for my communication, for my pronunciation, for my vocabularies. I'm working for achieving fluency, and inshallah one day I will achieve. Okay, and you also can achieve. If you are not able to understand some of the things in English language right now, don't scare. Okay, don't feel fear. Getting the point? You can see. If you are not able to understand, so listen. The more you will listen, the more you will learn. Okay, and if you are able to understand some of the things, if you are able to understand everything, so now it is your turn to speak. Getting the point? It is your turn to speak. Okay, and just notice the vocabularies, whatever the people are speaking, whatever the people are using. Okay, write it down. If you are not able to keep it in your mind here, so write it down in a anything. Write it down on a paper, write it down on notebook, wherever you will be writing. Okay, just write it down and implement it. Okay, implement it, and just listen the same topic, listen the same video again, watch the same video again, so that you could remind yourself. Getting the point? It will be your revision. When you will listen again, then you will get again the same vocabulary. Okay, when you will get the same vocabulary again, then it will be filled in your mind. Okay, and if once you will use it, then it will be here forever. Getting the point? It is all about using. Okay, and if a person who is just maintaining this, we can say, if a person who is maintaining this process, okay, learning, listening, and just putting the words, putting the vocabularies in his mind or her mind, and every single day he's just implementing, learning, listening and implementing, and then again, I mean, slowly, gradually he will be a fluent speaker after some time. Okay, it is the process of learning, it is the process of getting fluency. Okay, and after some time, when he suppose that when he has learned English language, he has learned now, and he has capability to understand English language. If a person who is speaking English language, he can understand each and everything, right? So now it is his turn to speak English language, to try to practice while speaking English language, while speaking English language, right? And the more he will speak, the more he will get fluency. The more he will speak, the more he will achieve fluency. Getting the point? You know what? I have been making mistakes for many times. Still I am making while speaking English language. So many mistakes I just make, but still I'm trying. Why? Because practice can make perfect man. Okay, so just practice. Don't fear about the mistakes. Okay, I mean, don't think that mistake is your fault. It is the part of learning. Getting the point? Make mistake, keep making mistakes and learn from it. Do not ignore it, but learn from it. Okay, it is our work to notice it, to recognize it, where we are making mistakes, and what should be learned from it. Okay, and if you will just notice, if you will keep maintaining this process, learning, getting knowledge and vocabularies and so many things, whatever the people are speaking, just implementing here in your mind, after some time you will be a fluent speaker, my friend. It is not so tough, but it is not so easy as well. Okay, I mean, it is just, we can learn. Okay, it is not so much tough if you try. Okay, as long as you maintain the consistency, it is not hard, and you can learn. Okay, so if you follow this type of thing in your life, so you can become a fluent speaker easily. There is no any problem. Okay, but it asks maintaining the consistency. It asks consistency. It asks patience. It asks passion. Yes, passion and patience, there is a difference. Don't confuse in this. Okay, and it asks desire as well. You should have desire, right? So this is what I wanted to share with you. I hope this video will be little bit motivated, helpful or informative for you. Thank you for watching.